Loading up na kami. We're going home to snowy Calgary now. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. We'll see you next time. Woohoo! Ito naman kami sa Ford Explorer ni Uncle. And are you ready to go home, Lianica? Yeah. Okay, and then I need to show Auntie. Ayan. Oh, nakahag sa Shih Tzu. Sa Shih Tzu dog. Okay, bye, Alba Fam Bam.
See ya.
See you, Alba Fam Bam. That's my Auntie Tess here in Toronto.
Safe trip.
Okay, thank you,
See you
thank you,
again.
Auntie. Thank you, Gid. Bye, Bella.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yun naman dito sa Toronto. Super init pa, oh. Blue sky. This is my cousin brother. See you again, brother.
Later.
Okay. Yeah, the OG.
Yeah.
The Alba OG in Toronto.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Let's go. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's go.
Yeah, bye.
Ready na ang mga kids. Oh, pogi kagid ang kalwa.
Sa telepono mo?
Lalo na in person eh. Oh, where's Davon? Are you ready, Davon? Yeah. Opo, okay. Are you ready to go home to the snowy Calgary? Opo, okay. Let's go. And that's it. See you later. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you, family, again. Bye-bye, Bella. Okay. Bye, Auntie. Gani man.
Oo.
Kung 700.
Tsaka ikaw naman, work from home ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
Anytime gani eh. Anytime man.
Kaso lang, ikaw Donna, maiiba yung field mo.
Palipat na.
Magpa-change na naman siya.
Chase, pero ang airport malayo.
Oh.
Ano naman ang...
So dapat
Magpapa-change yung department, pero same question. Like, yung parang sa ano na lang, hybrid work from home.
Work from home din. Kung magkakuha ka ng work from home, that's good.
oh. 600, 700 ang townhouse.
Oo.
Okay. So actually, konting cheaper pa siya compared sa Vancouver. Vancouver talaga okay talaga.
Hindi yung dyan sa outside, makakuha ka pang mga 700.
Oo.
Oo.
Okay talagang Vancouver eh. Kasi kahit na yung townhouse lab sa Langley, parang ang layo na nun eh. From the town. Ano na eh, magta-travel ka na talaga. Hindi katulad nito, Uncle, 401, di ba? Maya-maya, nandiyan na, tapos exit ka eh. Yung Langley, ano na talaga eh. Although highway din siya, pero medyo feel mo na yan na bukid ba? Feel mo na na town siya.
Actually nga, kami may dapat kukuha kami ng unit dito, yung luxury condominium. Naka-attach siya sa mall.
Oh, wow.
Pagbaba mo, mall. 600. 600.
After ng COVID? Or
Ito lang.
nito lang talaga.
648 2 bedroom.
Oh, tapos ang garahe sa baba yung sa sheltered, yung sa baba ng ano, yeah. Sheltered garage.
Yun, na yun. All in na yun, kasama na yung mga appliances doon. Puro built-in yung mga...
Oh, tapos brand new.
Brand new lahat. Oo.
Meron pang 600, 700, no?
Oo. Condominium nga lang.
Yeah, kahit
Oo.
na.
Pero prime yung location.
Oo, kasi attached na siya sa
Oo.
ano eh. So kung investment property siya, it's not even a question kung marerentahan siya. For sure marerentahan
Ay,
siya.
oo.
Yeah. So may mga opportunity pa dito.
Staggered pa nga yung payment eh. Yung sa down payment.
Oo.
Staggered pa.
20% 20%
deposit. Tapos
Tapos,
payable
oo,
2 years.
Pero ngayon siguro uncle, wala na yun. Ubus na yun.
Tingin ko
Ubus na.
Hindi, pero kuan eh 12 na building tatayo eh. Ang kinukuha nila nung that time sa amin, pangatlong building pa lang eh.
Oh.
So,
May tatayo
pag napuno
pa iba.
yung pangatlong building, bubuksan nila yung pang-apat. Doon.
Right.
Oo.
Tapos construct na naman, benta na
Oo.
naman sila.
Yeah.
Sa Whitby. Dito,
Ajax.
Ajax.
Pickering.
Pickering.
Yung mall doon, mamaya
Ontario.
turo ko sa iyo yung mall.
Meron pa.
A few moments later.
Talaga, no?
On to Pearson International Airport. Pauwi na kami sa snowy Calgary. Bye-bye na, Lolo.
Bye-bye, Lola.
Alright. Ikaw naman. Thank you, Kinangkel. Woo! Yeah!
Sobrang
Thank you, Uncle.
Papa. Thank you, Uncle.
Sometime soon. Bibisita ka mo sa amin, Uncle.
Oh, yes.
Mabanta.
Kayo din naman kontakin ko eh.
Oh, yeah.
Apa.
Sure.
How to go there.
Oh, yeah.
Apa.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle.
Ingat kayo sa biyahe ha.
Apa.
Thank you, Kinangkel. Thank you, kita.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Okay, na. Bye-bye, Lian.
So since standby flight kami, we need to wait for any available flights. So if there's an available flight for the four of us, next flight to Calgary, pasok na kami. If not, 7 p.m. yung scheduled flight namin. So if walang the earlier flight, 7 p.m. flight yun to take namin. So alright, let's go. Oh, we need to go there? Okay. Go. Follow mommy and push that. Yep. Yeah, Lianica will be with daddy. Thank you, Kuya. Big boy. Our Kuya, big boy na helping mommy to load up. Kuya's helping mommy. You see? Galing ni Kuya, oh. Kuya can help mommy. Wow. Bye. See you in Calgary. Thank you, Kuya. Let's go. All right. Are you excited to go home? Opo. Okay.
Kuya, you push your sister na?
Push your sister. You need to help daddy and mommy to push your sister. Okay. And then si Dava nakakatuwa kasi siya na yung nagpupush sa sister niya. The stroller. And then be careful, okay? You need to be very careful kasi Lian will tumba. Siyempre, may time kami. So, laro-laro ang mga kids before going home to Calgary. Are you having fun? Are you you guys having fun? Just need to be careful, okay? Waiting na kami ang mga... Is it zone 3? No, not yet. Yeah, Kuya, you say see you, Calgary. See you say Lian. See you, Calgary. Okay.
Thank you so much.
We're going home. Thank you. All right, thank you, appreciate it. And we're off to go. Okay. There you go. We're going home. Yeah, I know. We're going home. Yeah. Nakasingit kami. Kwento ni Mami Fam yan. Kwento ni Donna sa
Later.
sa isang vlog.
Pagdating namin.
Yes, kung ano ang nangyari. At muntikan pa kaming mapabukas. Hindi naman. Siguro next.
OA.
Oo nga. Siguro naman
Next
next.
flight.
Siguro next flight.
Okay, we're going home. We're going inside. Yeah, the kiddos are in. We are in. Thank you. There you go. Okay. Oh, it's full flight. I think it's full flight.
Yes.
It is full. Right. And then
Okay, where's our row? It's row 19. Okay, and Daddy's row is here. Okay, yup, that's right. Do we need this? Do we need a jacket? No? Ah, okay, okay. Wow. Yeah, okay. And then I'll put this under. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, man. Look at the view. Wow.
Wow,
Galing.
Parudi!
Gusto mo yan? Dito ka. Dito ko. It's gonna be easier. I think it... Wow. Are you having fun? Are you having fun so far?
Parudi!
How about Lianica? Lianica is having some fun? Hello, Alba Bam Bam.
right. Goodbye, Toronto. See you, Calgary.
We're in Calgary Airport now. Kakaland lang namin. And we would like again to say thank you to Uncle Nonoy, Alba, and Auntie Tess, and Alyssa and JR for hosting us in your beautiful home. Hope to see you guys soon. Sana dito na din sa Calgary so we could visit Banff and Canmore and other tourist spots here in Alberta. Thank you, of course, for Kuya Jason and Justin for driving us around, and Verna and Ate Apple, every one of you, and nice to see Uncle Netnet, Uncle Boy, Auntie Faye, and
Cousins.
the cousins, Ryan and Philip. It was really nice to see you guys, and hope to see you guys soon. And dito sa Calgary para kami naman ang magpapasyal sa inyo. So, bye-bye Alba Bam Bam. You say bye-bye Alba Bam Bam. Alba Bam Bam. Alright, and of course fam, don't forget to like, watch, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be uploading a lot of videos.
From this
Yeah, from this trip. So see ya, bye, and hang loose. Okay, hang loose. Yeah, close the camera. Close the camera.